Good morning. It's great to have your company this Wednesday, the 21st of April. I'm Sophia Mavridis, a market analyst at Bell Direct. This morning, the Aussie share market is set to open lower, with the futures suggesting the market will fall about 1.23% down to 6,911 points. This mirrors Wall Street overnight as US equities fell with back-to-back losses. The S&P 500 dipped 28 points, that's 0.68%, and the Dow closed 250 points lower, about 0.75%, sitting at 33,821 points. And the tech-heavy Nasdaq closed about 1% lower. Well, streaming giant Netflix shares fell 9% after the large increase in demand during the pandemic has started to fade. In economic news, there are concerns for the Trans-Tasman travel bubble after an Auckland airport employee who worked cleaning planes has tested positive for COVID-19 despite the fact being fully vaccinated. The case appeared a day after the opening of the Trans-Tasman bubble. However, New Zealand Prime Minister Jacinta Ardern says she does not want this to delay being able to travel across the Tasman quarantine-free. Amid concerns, keep an eye on travel stocks such as Qantas Airways, that's QAN, and Webjet WEB. In other news, the Senate yesterday could not reach an agreement on the COVID-19 relief bill. The bill may offer around $370 billion to small business loans, as well as $25 billion for COVID-19 testing and $75 billion to go toward hospitals. The Senate is scheduled to vote on the rescue package this afternoon. Moving to commodities, the oil price fell 1.44% to 62 US dollars 46. So it's worth watching energy producers including AGL Energy, AGL, Woodside, WPL and Santos STO. As the gold price increases, keep an eye on Evolution Mining, EVN. Gold increased 0.5% to 1,778 US dollars. Meanwhile, iron ore also increased about 2.2% to 178 US dollars 54 cents. Silver increased 0.48%, while copper decreased 0.68% to $4.22. As for the most traded stocks for Bell Direct yesterday, they were CSL Limited CSL, Lynas Rare Earths LYC, and Vanguard MSCI Index International Shares ETF, that's VGS. Looking at some trading ideas for this morning. Well, Bell Potter has a buy rating on Santos Energy, SXY, as they approach the new growth chapter. Yesterday, Santos Energy closed at $3.71 and Bell Potter has increased its price target to $3.75. Santos Energy deliver gas and oil to Australia's East Coast energy markets, both domestic and international. Ongoing production growth and domestic price improvements will support earnings growth, and Bell Potter expects supply deficits to support higher price as SXY leverage Australia's East Coast gas market. In addition, Bell Potter has changed their recommendation for Altium ALU from a hold to a sell. ALU have been heavily discounting the price of their perpetual license by about 40%, and this is likely to have a negative short-term impact on revenue. Bell Potter have decreased their price target by 4% to $27.50, previously at $28.50, which is a 8% discount to the share price. Also give some consideration to EROAD, that's ERD, as Bell Potter has reiterated their buy recommendation, supported by positive unit economics, constant revenue growth, and growing sales momentum in Australia and New Zealand. The target remains unchanged at $5.62, and the price sits at $4.71, down 0.21% yesterday. And to conclude, JB Hi-Fi, that's JBH, Rural Funds Group, RFF, and RPM Automotive, RPM, are all giving off bullish trading signals according to Trading Central. I'm Sophia Mavridis with Bell Direct. Have a fantastic day and happy trading.